Hi Ashley, this is Brittany, and I'd also like to say hello to the team at Grace Flooring. Thank you so much for allowing me to send you a quick video of some tips and tricks. So I'm going to be going over 3 things with you guys, content, backlinks, and citations, and then I will show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So the first thing I want to go over is the content of your page. So I'm looking through and it looks really gorgeous. You got these beautiful photos, the sweet family here, some great photos of the services that you guys offer. And I also notice you guys have a call to action here, which is really good for customers wanting to contact you quickly. On your home page, you got some more photos here as well. However, unfortunately, I do not see a whole lot of content or words. Total words, I would guesstimate around 80 that you guys have on your page. And these links up here are not subpages, they just link to a specific area on your page, and subpages do help your page to rank as well. So going back just a little bit, so as far as words and content, we do suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So for example, you guys are a flooring company and these are your services. A customer might search on Google carpet installation in Marietta, Georgia, or similarly they might search for Marietta, Georgia, flooring contractor. So those are just a couple examples of a keyword that a customer might type into Google that you want to definitely rank for. So I went onto Google and actually used one of those keywords, flooring contractor in Marietta, Georgia, here on the top of Google, and I found your number 1 competitor who is ranking at the top of the organic search result here. So real quick, this organic search result is used by customers 60% of the time, and up here at the map pack, this is used 30% of the time with the ads. So going back down here, we have these directories, which is completely normal, that show up House, you got House, AMG, Yelp. But the first organic search result is BCAL flooring. So I went ahead and brought them up here just so we can get a look at their website and see how they are doing and seeing how they're ranking at the top organic search result. So looking at their content, they do have more words on their page. They definitely have probably around 400 or 500. Still not the recommended amount, but they do have more content. So you definitely want to beat them with that, with those words. They do have some keywords as well regarding their services and location. So I want to move on. So we talked about content. I want to move on to something called backlinks. So here I have a tool. This is called Aeris, and I put your website in here. This is a page program that I use to research websites and to compare and evaluate them and how they're doing. So first I want to go through 2 ratings here. We have a UR rating and a DR rating. DR rating just is essentially the power rating Google gives your website. UR rating is the trust Google provides to your website. So you have a power rating and a trust rating. And these 2 ratings are powered by and raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest. However, please know that not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local websites will work best, and quality is definitely better than quantity. So you do have 2 backlinks notated on this evaluation. Your competitor, however, has 279. So because they have this many backlinks, they have a much higher rating than yours does. You guys are not ranking for anything here. Unfortunately, your website is not doing anything for you guys. But looking back at your competitor, BCAL Flooring, they have a trust rating of 14 and a power rating of 4.2. So you definitely want to get not just match the number of backlinks they have at 279, I'd suggest going up a few hundred more, probably 400 or 500 or so backlinks to your website to strengthen that rating and to get you ranking higher in Google, or really get you guys to start ranking in Google. So the next thing I want to talk about is something called citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack in the Google search result, which I showed you a little bit ago before. This shows up at the top of the search result. So this is extremely important for local businesses, since these can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially for these top 3 here. So these citations can include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, hundreds of others, and also social media accounts count as well. So the idea of citations is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you are going to rank above them. So here you guys have 2 citations, and your competitor has 95. So once again, you definitely don't just want to meet them where they are. You want to beat them where they are. So I would suggest a couple hundred more than what they have again. So they have 95 citations. I suggest around 200 or 300 more citations for that. That will also help increase your ratings and your ranking. So we have gone over 3 things. We've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And you will start to outgrow your competitors if you definitely are able to improve those 3 things. But here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So real quick, I just wanted to show you. So your top competitor has 74 organic traffic per month. I'm looking at the organic keywords, however, consumers are searching for a bunch of these location and service specific keywords that you are missing out on that they are ranking for. So for example, Marietta floors gets 250 searches per month, and they are currently ranking on the number 2 spot of Google for that keyword. Flooring Marietta, Georgia is searched for 100 times per month. They are ranked at 3rd position for that. Hardwood floor refinishing Marietta, Georgia is 50 per month. Hardwood floor refinishing Alpharetta, Georgia, 50 per month. Nearby city. So they have a whole lot of location and service specific keywords, which you definitely want to have in your content, which will definitely help you guys rank and be present on Google. So overall, I wasn't able to count all of these. They have a bunch of keywords, a bunch of pages of keywords, but you guys are missing out on quite a few 1,000 people searching for you, and you're not able to be found on Google currently, as you guys do not have any kind of rating. Your website is not doing anything for you, so you definitely want to get those up so you can be found organically. So that is all. That wraps up what I wanted to go over with you guys. I appreciate your time, and I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. So thank you guys for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.